How to change topics in Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. That said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And then click on the three dots at the top right corner. From the given list, click on Settings. And from the account information section, click on Home Feed Tuner. And then click on the Topics tab. And here you will be able to change your topics either by deleting some. Just click on the check mark icon at the bottom of each topic at the bottom right corner, or you can add new topics by clicking on that button and then adding whatever topics you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change, remove, or add topics on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.